Looking for the ideal storage solution for your ATV? The best shed for ATV storage offers durability and security, ensuring your vehicle stays protected from the elements. Discover top options to keep your ATV safe and organized year-round. Number 1. Aoxun Shed for ATV Storage. The Aoxun Shed for ATV storage is an excellent choice for those seeking a durable and weather-resistant solution for outdoor storage. Constructed from galvanized steel, this shed is designed to withstand harsh weather conditions, making it an ideal option for year-round protection. Its thick metal roof and walls ensure that it will remain sturdy and unyielding even in extreme conditions like heavy snow or strong winds. The rigorous structural engineering of the shed further enhances its durability and longevity, offering peace of mind that your ATV and other outdoor equipment will be safe. One of the standout features of the Aoxun Shed is its sloping roof, which maximizes space utilization while preventing rainwater accumulation. This practical design ensures the longevity of the shed while allowing for easier maintenance. The addition of air vents enhances ventilation, keeping the interior cool and dry, which is particularly important for storing sensitive equipment. Moreover, the shed is equipped with lockable doors, providing added security for your stored items, including your ATV. With ample internal space measuring 12 by 10 feet, 560 cubic feet of storage capacity, the Aoxun Shed offers plenty of room for more than just an ATV. It can easily accommodate a variety of outdoor equipment, including snow blowers, shovels, bicycles, and garden tools. For optimal organization, you can also purchase additional storage racks to keep your belongings neatly arranged. Whether you need storage for your garden tools, toys, or bikes, this versatile shed caters to all your outdoor storage needs. Number 2. WKM Shed for ATV Storage. The WKM Shed for ATV storage offers a spacious and secure storage option for your outdoor equipment, including ATVs, garden tools, and lawn care equipment. Measuring 92.9 inches deep, 92.9 inches wide, and 77.56 inches high, this storage shed provides ample room to store various items without taking up too much space in your backyard. Its sleek black color blends seamlessly with most outdoor settings, making it an aesthetically pleasing addition to any property. The WKM Shed stands out for its superior frame construction, which significantly enhances stability and ease of installation. Thanks to its full-frame construction, the shed is up to 30% easier to assemble compared to other models. The durable corner guards further reinforce the structure, ensuring it can withstand all weather conditions, including rain and snow. The shed's door can be locked, providing extra security to keep your belongings safe from theft or unauthorized access. Designed with practicality in mind, the WKM Shed features a sloped roof that prevents water from pooling on the surface, thus protecting the shed from potential damage. The 2 air vents facilitate airflow, helping to reduce humidity and prevent the buildup of heat inside. Whether you're storing your ATV, garden tools, or other outdoor items, the WKM Shed provides an organized and efficient solution to keep your space tidy. This shed's versatility extends beyond ATV storage, making it an excellent choice for those in need of a well-organized space for their garden supplies or other household items. With its sturdy frame, ample space, and thoughtful design, the WKM Shed for ATV storage is a reliable option that will meet all your outdoor storage needs. Number 3. Keter Shed for ATV Storage. For those looking for a compact yet durable storage solution, the Keter Shed for ATV storage is an ideal choice. Measuring 55.1 inches in length, 29 inches in width, and 67.1 inches in height, this shed is perfect for those with limited space, but still needing reliable storage. With a generous capacity of 62.05 cubic feet, it is designed to store garden tools and small equipment, making it a great option for protecting your ATV from the elements in a smaller backyard. Made from high-quality polypropylene resin and reinforced with steel, the Keter Shed is both durable and weather-resistant. It offers superior protection against the elements, including UV rays, rain, and snow, ensuring that your stored items remain safe and dry. This material choice also means the shed will not peel, rot, or rust, making it a long-lasting storage solution for your outdoor needs. The Keter Shed is designed with practicality in mind, featuring adjustable shelving brackets that allow you to create additional storage space for smaller items such as tools or garden supplies. While shelves are not included, the brackets are ready for customization, allowing you to organize your shed to fit your specific needs. Additionally, the metal hinges are built to withstand constant wear and tear, ensuring the shed remains functional for years to come. Number 4. Suncast Shed for ATV Storage. The Suncast Shed for ATV storage is an excellent choice for those in need of a versatile and reliable outdoor storage solution. With 98 cubic feet of space, this shed can easily accommodate larger items such as ATVs, mowers, and garden tools while keeping your backyard organized and clutter-free. Its unique sliding lid feature allows for quick and easy access to your stored items, making it convenient to use on a daily basis. Constructed from multi-wall resin panels, the Suncast Shed is both water-resistant and UV-protected, ensuring that your outdoor gear is safe from the elements. The reinforced resin floor adds extra durability, allowing the shed to withstand heavy loads. This sturdy construction makes it ideal for storing larger items without fear of damage to the shed or your equipment. One of the key features of the Suncast Shed is its 3-door locking system, which provides added security and peace of mind. While the padlock is not included, the locking mechanism ensures that your stored items, including your ATV, are safe from theft and unauthorized use. Whether you're storing seasonal equipment or everyday outdoor tools, the Suncast Shed offers a secure and reliable solution for your storage needs. Number 5. Dausola Shed for ATV Storage. The Dausola Shed for ATV storage is a top-tier storage solution designed to protect your outdoor equipment year-round. Made from premium galvanized steel, this shed is rust-resistant, UV-resistant, and waterproof, ensuring reliable protection against the harshest weather conditions. Its robust construction can endure heavy winds, snow, and rain, making it an ideal choice for those living in areas with extreme weather. With dimensions of 141.7 inches deep, 103 inches wide, and 80 inches high, the Dausola Shed provides a spacious storage area to store your ATV, garden tools, bicycles, and more. The expansive interior allows you to keep all your outdoor equipment organized and protected. For added convenience, the shed comes with a lockable door, providing security and peace of mind knowing your belongings are safe from theft or damage. The Dausola Shed is designed for ease of use, featuring a water-shedding sloped roof that prevents rain from accumulating on the surface. It also includes built-in vents to enhance air circulation, preventing the buildup of heat and humidity inside the shed. Clear windows allow natural light to flood the interior, making it easier to find what you're looking for. Whether you're looking for a shed to store your ATV, tools, or seasonal items, the Dausola Shed for ATV storage offers a durable, practical, and secure solution. With its reinforced structure, ample storage space, and thoughtful design, this shed provides an excellent option for anyone looking to protect their outdoor equipment and keep their backyard organized. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.